Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to take a screenshot in PowerPoint. Whether we want to capture slides, insert screenshots into a presentation, or save important visuals, this tutorial is for us. On the computer or desktop, the first thing we need to do is open the PowerPoint file that we want to screenshot. For example, this could be our PowerPoint project. If we want to screenshot a slide, we just need to find the print screen key on the keyboard. Once we find it, we simply press it once. Just tap it. Now, we need to choose Snip so we can start the screenshot process. After choosing Snip, we select the part or the whole area of our PowerPoint that we want to capture. Once we release the drag, we can confirm that the screenshot has been taken. Next, we go to our Documents, then Pictures, and then Screenshots. Here, we will find our screenshots and see that the PowerPoint screenshot is saved there. As we can see, there is our screenshot. It is quick and simple, using just the keyboard and mouse. This tutorial helps us learn different ways to take and use screenshots in PowerPoint using built-in tools and keyboard shortcuts. It covers capturing the screen, inserting screenshots into slides, and editing them with ease. And that's it. Now we know how to take screenshots in PowerPoint.